In today's class, we are going to observe the test for certain gases. That is chapter 9 practical chemistry. We know about various gases. Certain gases are neutral. What is the meaning of neutral? It is neither acidic nor basic. Then some other gases are acidic. Acidic means which turns blue litmus paper to red. And some other gases are basic in nature. Basic gas turns red litmus to blue. And in today's class, we are going to observe test for neutral gases, acidic gases and basic gas. Let us first carry out experiment with hydrogen. Colorless gas is hydrogen. So here you can see a reaction, and during the reaction a colorless gas is evolved, and we are testing the colorless gas. The gas evolved is hydrogen, which burns in air with a pop sound. So we are observing the pop sound. Can you hear? Now let us observe the test for water. Water vapor is a neutral gas. It is colorless in nature. So water vapor is a neutral colorless gas which has no effect on litmus paper. And water vapor is produced by heating hydrated substances. For example, we use blue vitriol. What is blue vitriol? CuSO4.5H2O. On heating, what happens is water molecules, that is water of crystallization, is removed. So let us see the effect of heat on hydrated copper sulfate. Now let us observe the evolution of water vapor on heating copper sulfate.5H2O. This substance is called blue vitriol, and on heating hydrated copper, crystalline hydrated copper sulfate, it turns to white and amorphous. And on heating, which gas is evolved? Water vapor, colorless water vapor. And the test for water vapor is on passing water vapor through anhydrous copper sulfate. In this test tube we have white anhydrous copper sulfate. On passing water vapor through white anhydrous copper sulfate, gradually this anhydrous copper sulfate turns blue. Here we have white anhydrous copper sulfate. Can you see? Gradually the white anhydrous copper sulfate turns blue. So test for water vapor turns white anhydrous copper sulfate from white to blue. The third neutral gas is oxygen. So we observed the reactions of water vapor and hydrogen. Water vapor and hydrogen are colorless, odorless gases. In the same way, oxygen gas is also colorless and odorless. Test for oxygen. When oxygen gas is bubbled through alkaline pyrogallol solution, the colorless alkaline pyrogallol solution turns light brown on passing oxygen gas through it. So test for oxygen. Oxygen turns colorless alkaline pyrogallol solution to brown. Now we are going to observe the reactions of some acidic gases. First one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a colorless acidic gas, and test for carbon dioxide. But on passing carbon dioxide through lime water, it turns milky. So now we are going to observe the reaction. So what do you observe on adding dilute acid? A brisk effervescence and a colorless gas is evolved. The colorless gas turns lime water milky. So on passing the gas through lime water, which gas is evolved? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a colorless gas, and this is lime water. Lime water is colorless. On passing the gas through lime water, what do you observe? This lime water turns milky. Gradually the colorless lime water turns milky. So can you see? The lime water turns milky. On passing carbon dioxide, lime water turns milky. So we can say carbon dioxide is a colorless gas which turns lime water milky. And on passing excess carbon dioxide, the milkiness disappears. On passing excess carbon dioxide, the milkiness disappears. The next acidic gas is sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is a colorless gas which is produced during this chemical reaction, and the test for acidic gas sulfur dioxide. On passing the colorless sulfur dioxide gas through for acidified potassium permanganate solution. So this is acidified potassium permanganate solution, and the color of the solution is purple. So on passing the gas through acidified potassium permanganate solution, the color vanishes. So the pink or purple color of KMnO4 vanishes. Another test for sulfur dioxide is it turns acidified potassium dichromate. The color of the solution is orange, which changes to green on passing, light green on passing sulfur dioxide. So test for sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide turns acidified potassium dichromate solution from orange to green. The color turns gradually from orange to green as a test for sulfur dioxide gas. Now we are going to observe the evolution of a greenish yellow gas. Can you see the greenish yellow gas in the test tube? This greenish yellow gas is chlorine. Test for chlorine. A starch-shaded paper turns blue-black. Can you see? The starch-shaded paper turns blue-black. So see the blue-black color. Starch-shaded paper turns blue-black. Test for HCl. HCl is hydrogen chloride gas which is acidic in nature, and this is a glass rod dipped in ammonia. When a glass rod dipped in ammonia brought near the mouth of HCl produces, what do you observe? Dense white fumes. Dense white fumes are formed from the glass rod. Can you see the dense white fumes? This dense white fumes of ammonium chloride is formed when a glass rod dipped in ammonia brought near HCl vapor. Another test for HCl hydrogen chloride is when HCl hydrogen chloride vapor is passed through silver nitrate solution. So this is silver nitrate solution. Then on passing HCl gas through silver nitrate solution, what do you observe? A white precipitate is formed. So what is the observation? A white precipitate is formed. This is the white precipitate which is obtained by passing HCl gas through silver nitrate solution. So test for silver nitrate. HCl gas turns colorless silver nitrate solution to white. So a white precipitate is formed on passing HCl through silver nitrate solution, and the white precipitate dissolves on adding excess ammonium hydroxide. So on adding ammonium hydroxide, the precipitate dissolves. So see, this is a test for hydrogen chloride. HCl on passing through silver nitrate solution produces a white precipitate, and the white precipitate is soluble in excess ammonium hydroxide. Another acidic gas is hydrogen sulfide. The gas produced in the test tube is colorless. Name of the gas is hydrogen sulfide, which is acidic in nature, and the gas is having a rottenic smell, and this gas is tested by using a lead acetate paper. This is a paper dipped in lead acetate solution which is shown to the mouth of the evolved gas. The observation is the paper turns silvery black. Can you see the shining appearance of the paper? The paper turns silvery black. The paper, lead acetate paper, turns silvery black. due to the evolution of hydrogen sulfide, and also hydrogen sulfide turns acidified potassium permanganate from purple to colorless and acidified potassium dichromate solution from orange to green with the deposition of yellow particles of sulfur. So there are 4 tests. One is Rottenegg smell, gas with a Rottenegg smell. Another one is lead acetate paper turns to silvery black, and also this colorless gas turns acidified potassium permanganate purple to colorless and acidified potassium dichromate from orange to green with the deposition of yellow particles of sulfur. Another acidic gas is nitrogen dioxide, which is a colored gas. The color of the gas is reddish brown. So see the colored gas, evolution of colored gas. In the test tube you can see a reddish brown gas. So can you see the evolution of reddish brown gas? This gas is nitrogen dioxide. So name a reddish brown gas, nitrogen dioxide. And test for nitrogen dioxide is a paper dipped in potassium iodide solution turns brown. So this is the test for nitrogen dioxide. A paper dipped in potassium iodide turns to brown and the gas evolved is reddish brown in color. So name a reddish brown gas, nitrogen dioxide, which is acidic in nature. Now we are going to observe the reaction of a basic gas, ammonia. Ammonia is a colorless gas with a pungent smell and the gas is tested by using hydrochloric acid. Glass rod dipped in hydrochloric acid brought near ammonia solution, ammonia gas. So ammonia vapor produces dense white fumes. So the observation is a glass rod dipped in hydrochloric acid brought near ammonia vapor produce dense white fumes. Another test for ammonia is when ammonia is passed through copper sulfate solution, a blue colored solution. On passing ammonia vapor through copper sulfate solution, we can see a pale blue precipitate. This is the pale blue precipitate on passing ammonia gas through copper sulfate solution. On passing excess ammonia gas through the same solution, we get a deep blue coloration. So this is the test for ammonia gas. So test for ammonia gas, on passing ammonia vapors through copper sulfate solution, first we get a pale blue precipitate. On passing excess ammonia through the same solution, a deep blue solution is obtained. So now we observe the chemical reactions of certain neutral gases like water, oxygen and hydrogen. And also we discussed about the reactions of some acidic gases like hydrogen chloride, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, chlorine, H2S, etc. So by heart the chemical test for all these gases.